welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video because I am collabing with Keto Steve. Now, if you don't know who Keto Steve is, then I think you may have been living under a rock because Keto Steve is everywhere. If you ever take a look down in the comment section of any keto YouTuber, you will see Keto Steve. He's doing awesome podcasts right now with the biggest keto YouTubers, Goody Beats, Countess of Low Carb. Steve is everywhere. He's funny, his videos are so creative, and I am so honored to be collabing with him. So in today's video, we wanted to kind of do something fun and try to create something. So I am going to be making something out of bacon. Bacon is the main recipe. Bacon is the main ingredient in today's recipe, as with his. Not sure what he's making. Very excited to see what it ends up being. So this video will be going up on Friday, and I can't wait for Friday to get here. So there's the bacon. So if you haven't already subscribed to Steve or heard of Steve, like I said, lift up the rock, climb out, go over down in the description box, click on Steve's channel. You are not going to regret it. He makes amazing desserts, by the way. He's got a lot of awesome recipes, and he's just, like I said, he's really funny. So go find him, click subscribe, click the bell to get notified, and check his channel out. All right, so what am I going to be making? I'm going to be making, shh, don't tell Steve. I'm going to be making a bacon bun, and I'm going to have ham and cheese melted inside. It's going to be like a sandwich with bacon on the outside. So I'm really excited about this. I got my bacon out. I'm going to try to weave it and make it in the air fryer. I've never weaved bacon. So let's get started.
So today we are going to paint my nails.
I never realized how hard weaving bacon was. So as you can see, I made these two little buns in the air fryer, but I feel like they're too small and too thick. So we're trying it out in there. So in a pan I have 1 serving of mozzarella cheese shredded up, and I'm just cooking that until it's crisp on one side. I sprinkled some pepper and then some of this basil or oregano and garlic sea salt on top of it. And then I'm going to put 1 slice of this sliced Polish ham. Alright guys, here it is. So this is a bacon bun with mozzarella cheese fried up with ham inside. I call this the pork belly or something. I don't know. It's a work in progress. Anyways, look at it. That's a lot of bacon, y'all. That is a lot of bacon. Let's cut it open. And there it is. If you look inside, you see that ham, that mozzarella cheese seasoned with that basil and oregano, wrapped in beautiful bacon. Isn't it beautiful, you guys? This is a creation. This is definitely a creation.